Hello there. So we went to the office today. It's a co-working. We don't spend that much money yet on an office, but you may see me in one of those Gerardo videos when I was passing through to say hi. We were there, yeah. And today, well, I started to work on Rake's startup since 2 p.m. because um, my construction work took more time than I expected. But well, I feel that I made a good progress today. So I worked on the general progress screen. Um, I think we got there. I learned a lot today, um, but I think that the rest of the day, tonight, the rest of the day today, I'm going to study the course of Udemy because I think that I am getting lost more than if I had studied before. But I'm going to show you what I accomplished today. So this is the general progress screen. We have this chart here that shows, uh, sorry, that shows the progress of the project. And we have here two bars, and it was the hardest part of the day because I didn't know how to put two bars, one for the real progress and one for the expected progress. So what we came up with was that we could use two of these widgets, one in front of the other. So we have two widgets here, but they are together, one in front of the other, and that's how we did it. They are going to be programmed separately, but that's it. It seems that it is just one, but there are two widgets of this. And well, we have also task completed and upcoming task. This is something I am adding because I want to, because it is not on the prototype. We also have here tareas en curso, or tasks we are working on right now. Well, what I am trying to make here is like a kind of expandable and contracting widget. I don't know how to say this. So it is contracted like this, and then it expands to show more information. And then I'm going to make a list of all the tasks that belongs to this filter or subject. And that's how we are doing this screen up to today. And we have here this animal, alpaca in Spanish. I don't know how to say it. Let me search for it. It's the same word in Spanish and in English, alpaca. And we have more alpacas through all the application. For example, here we have this one, a dancing alpaca here. We have another one here. And it is just me and Gerardo messing with each other because we're working on the same cloud template or ecosystem. And then I go where he is working and I put an image of an alpaca, and then he comes to my working place where I'm working currently, and he put an alpaca there just to mess. And we maybe decided that we're going to leave them there as an Easter eggs, as Easter eggs, and maybe give some rewards when finding them. I don't know. It was fun to work with this. We make our work environment easygoing, more fun and funnier, and so this is the prototype right now, and this is the one sorry, the alpaca there. This is the one there is another alpaca there, and this is the one I'm doing currently. We have more features here, and we have this section that will be this one. This is the effect we want to accomplish, the one that I was saying that needs to be expanded. I had a hard time looking at how to make these kind of widgets, the expandable, the expanded ones, expand and contract these widgets. It was causing me provoking bugs last week, and I had a hard time. And it was easy to solve. There was a widget included in Flutterflow that could do it, but I couldn't find it. And that was one of the tasks that I had for me this week, to find how to do them, and I found it. That's what I'm going to study the rest of the day, the rest of the night, instead of working on this. Well, it will be 1 or 2 hours, maybe. And that's it. That's all for today. We have, I think, that 10-12 days left of this challenge. We can have a good MVP. It will not be close to perfection. It won't be. But there can be something that we can show and maybe sell, to keep us working now with the feedback of the customer or the user. We can make it. It's not that hard. So that's it for today. Goodbye. See you tomorrow. I don't know how to say goodbye to these videos. Bye bye.